might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are...
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a fantastic day today. It's beautiful here in Georgia today. It's a little cool and windy, and today I'm making pork chop, Mississippi pork chops, and these are the way my pork chops look. And I only had to pay $1.49 a pound for these. I got them on sale, and I love to catch Piggly Wiggly's meat sales because they usually have a great meat sale when they have one. And so let me get over here and brown my pork chops. Okay, so now then I'm going to brown my pork chops. These are some, and I've got 1 tablespoon of oil in it. I'm going to brown them on both sides on medium heat. I have 4 seared pork chops in here, and now I'm searing my last one. Okay, I have my pork chops seared now, and so now I'm going to deglaze my pan. Okay, I'm going to deglaze my pan, and I have 3/4 cups of water that I'm using. Okay, I have my pan deglazed now, so I'm going to pour my mixture over my pork chops. And I'll put 6 pats of butter over it. So now then I'm going to put my seasoning package mix on. This right here is pork gravy mix, and this is ranch salad dressing mix. And so, let's see, I'll pour the pork over first. I'm going to take my pork chops and pour some of it on the ones in the middle. Okay. So now then I'm going to pour in my other package. Okay. And the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to put my pepperoncinis in. You can put around 6 to 8 in, or however many you want. I tend to go a little bit higher because I love them. That's 1, 2. Okay, and I've made Mississippi pot roast before, but this is the first time I've ever made Mississippi crock pot pork chops. And so I hope this is as good as the Mississippi pot roast is. Okay, so I'm going to cook my pork chops on low for 5 to 7 hours, and then I'll be back. I hadn't decided what my other sides are going to be with this yet, though. So when I come back, I'll fill you in. Hi everyone, I'm back, and my Mississippi pork chops have been cooking for 4 hours in the crock pot, and they have really got this place smelling so good. My granddaughter was out in the driveway and she came in the house and she said, "What is that smelling so good?" And I said, "I got some pork chops in the crock pot." She says, "Well, they certainly smell delicious." And I said, "They do, don't they?" And so also I have some sides here. I have some broccoli and a baked potato. So let me try my pork chop and see how this thing tastes. I know it really does smell delicious. Get a little piece right here, and it was real tender when I stuck the knife in it. It cut really good. That's one thing I like about the crock pot. Your meat always is very tender. And these baked potatoes, they are really big ones. But we really love baked potatoes. So let me taste of this pork chop and see how it tastes. It is delicious. And that pork chop was delicious. If you make this recipe, you won't be disappointed. And we've got a huge baked potato here, but me and Calvin loves baked potatoes, and we're really going to enjoy this side and broccoli. I know a lot of people don't like broccoli, but we really love broccoli when it's cooked real tender. And so I'm going to close this video out now so I can eat this delicious meal. And we're really going to enjoy it. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.